The Introvert Oasis presents, Inside an INFJ's World, INFJ's Secrets to Absolute Happiness Revealed. Today, prepare to be captivated as we unveil the enigmatic world of INFJs and reveal their extraordinary secrets to absolute happiness. If you're ready to unleash the power within you and experience a life of unparalleled joy, you're in for an extraordinary ride. In today's mind-blowing video, we'll dive deep into the enigmatic realm of INFJs, those rare souls who hold the key to unlocking absolute happiness. But before we embark on this life-altering expedition, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a moment of our awe-inspiring content. Brace yourself for a transformational journey as we unravel the hidden secrets of INFJs. These extraordinary individuals possess unparalleled empathy, compassion, and intuition, paving the way to a happiness like no other. So, are you ready to uncover the extraordinary secrets that will lead you to absolute happiness? Get ready to be mesmerized as we explore the 7 remarkable keys to an INFJ's path to eternal bliss. Number 1. Embracing authenticity. The first key to absolute happiness for an INFJ lies in the sacred art of embracing authenticity. INFJs experience unparalleled joy when they are unapologetically themselves, basking in the radiance of their unique qualities. Embracing authenticity entails accepting and celebrating their individuality, transcending societal expectations, and staying true to their core values. INFJs can find happiness by surrounding themselves with kindred spirits who appreciate them for their genuine selves, engaging in activities that resonate with their authentic nature, and expressing their creativity without inhibition. Number 2. Nurturing emotional boundaries. INFJs possess a profound capacity to absorb the emotions of others, which, if left unattended, can drown their happiness and vitality. Therefore, nurturing emotional boundaries becomes an essential sanctuary for their well-being. By setting healthy limits on the emotions they absorb, INFJs can protect their inner equilibrium and find lasting happiness within themselves. They can achieve this by practicing self-care, learning to say no when necessary, seeking support from trusted confidants, and developing effective coping mechanisms to maintain emotional balance. Number 3. Unleashing creative expression. Within the depths of an INFJ's soul lies an infinite reservoir of creativity, serving as a profound source of happiness and fulfillment. The liberation of creative expression enables INFJs to channel their emotions, thoughts, and unique perspectives into tangible forms. Whether it's painting, writing, composing music, or engaging in any other form of artistic expression, INFJs find immeasurable joy in giving life to their inner world. They can explore different art forms, join creative communities, carve out dedicated time for creative endeavors, and fearlessly allow their imaginations to soar, unlocking the truest essence of their happiness. Number 4. Cultivating meaningful connections. One of the cornerstones of an INFJ's happiness lies in the cultivation of meaningful connections. INFJs thrive when they can forge deep, authentic bonds with others on intellectual, emotional, and spiritual levels. Building and nurturing these connections brings them profound joy and fulfillment. INFJs can cultivate meaningful connections by actively listening, practicing empathy, and investing time and effort into their relationships. They can seek out like-minded individuals who appreciate their unique perspectives, engage in deep conversations that explore profound topics, and create a supportive community where they can share their thoughts and experiences openly. Number 5. Exploring spiritual awakening. INFJs are often drawn to the realms of spirituality and inner awakening. Connecting with their inner selves and the larger universe brings them a sense of tranquility, purpose, and happiness. INFJs can embark on a journey of spiritual exploration by engaging in practices such as meditation, mindfulness, or prayer. They can also delve into philosophical and metaphysical studies, attend spiritual retreats, or immerse themselves in nature to deepen their connection with the spiritual realm. This spiritual awakening opens doors to profound insights and a heightened sense of fulfillment for INFJs. Number 6. Pursuing intellectual stimulation. INFJs have an insatiable thirst for knowledge and intellectual stimulation. They find great happiness in the pursuit of learning and expanding their understanding of the world. INFJs can feed their intellectual curiosity by enrolling in courses, attending lectures or seminars, reading books on a wide range of topics, or engaging in thought-provoking conversations with intellectuals and experts in various fields. By continually seeking out opportunities for intellectual growth, INFJs not only satisfy their thirst for knowledge but also experience a deep sense of fulfillment and happiness. Before continuing, if you think you got some value out of this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos of INFJs and their unique personalities. And don't forget to check the description for more information that we've put together especially for you. For example, a selection of great books that all INFJs will enjoy. I really appreciate your support. Number 7. Embracing nature's healing power. INFJs find solace and rejuvenation in the embrace of nature. Being surrounded by the beauty and serenity of the natural world is a source of deep happiness for them. INFJs can experience the healing power of nature by spending time outdoors, going for walks in scenic landscapes, hiking, or engaging in activities like gardening. The tranquility and harmony of nature nourish their souls and provide a much-needed respite from the demands of daily life. By embracing the wonders of nature, INFJs tap into an abundant source of happiness and find balance in their lives. And there you have it. The 7 extraordinary keys to absolute happiness as revealed by the enigmatic INFJs. By embracing authenticity, nurturing emotional boundaries, unleashing creative expression, cultivating meaningful connections, exploring spiritual awakening, pursuing intellectual stimulation, and embracing nature's healing power, you hold the power to unlock a world of unimaginable happiness and fulfillment. Remember, you have the ability to harness the essence of an INFJ's wisdom and integrate it into your own life. Embrace your authenticity, set boundaries that protect your well-being, unleash your creative spirit, forge deep connections, explore the depths of spirituality, expand your knowledge, and bask in the healing embrace of nature. By doing so, you'll unlock the door to a happiness that knows no bounds. Thank you for joining us on this profound journey today. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are seeking the secrets to absolute happiness. And remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a moment of our transformative content. As we part ways, may your quest for happiness be filled with boundless joy and may you find the fulfillment your heart truly desires. Stay curious, stay true to yourself, and embrace the extraordinary journey that awaits you.